Rivers records 27 new cases. Owner of demolished hotel among patients commissioner. The Rivers State Commissioner for Information and Communication, Paulinus Nserem, disclosed on Sunday that the state has recorded 27 new COVID-19 cases. He also added that among the new cases is the manager of Prudence Hotel, which was recently demolished by the state government for alleged violation of the COVID-19 lockdown order. According to Nserim, the surge in cases drives home the point that the Wike-led administration was right in the steps taken so far to contain the virus. This latest development validates the state government's proactive approach towards the fight against COVID-19, he stated on Facebook. Thank you for listening to this news. What are we talking about? You see, that is it. Wiki has committed a crime. Wiki has committed a crime. He has violated the law of the state. He has done this, he has done that. Everybody on his neck and all of that. You can see when the elders are talking, the young ones ought to keep quiet. See, Wiki is not just a governor. It's more than a governor. Wiki is just like an elder in River State. He's just like an elder in River State. What he sees, so many rivers citizens don't see it. When he was taking this action, everybody was on his neck. Everybody was on his head. Wicked is wicked. Wicked is devilish. Is demonic. Is they called him all sorts of names. No name they didn't call him. They called him all sorts of names. You can imagine. You can see the end of the story. What are we to say, the people of Rivers, based on what has just been read now? What are we to say? Are you going to blame Governor Wike again? Are you going to take him to the court again? Who are those people that said they want to take him to the court? Oh, even the judge himself will dismiss the case with immediate effect after hearing this this news. You see, this is what Wike was saying, that this is why he took that bold step. That it is very possible that people who will come to lodge in that hotel will be infected. Look at, even the infection started with the owner of the hotel. So now tell me, since the owner of the hotel is already infected, tell me how no one that come in that hotel to lodge will not be infected. In fact, it will start with the staffs of the hotel. Almost all the staffs of the hotel will be infected. But so what are you to say? I don't know. I don't know. People don't seem to understand things. People don't seem to uh, 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 understand things easily. You know, Wiki was saying it that this is the reason why we should remain indoor. And and someone went on to open his hotel. Tell me, how won't the people of River record cases when the owner of one of the hotel, major known hotel is infected? Hmm? You see, you can imagine when he was talking, everybody was just on his neck. Everybody was just lamenting that Wiki have done this, Wiki have done that. Will they lament again? Will they take him to court again? Will they report him again? You can see this is what the owner of the hotel has brought to the people of Rivers. That is to say that Governor Wike's step is justified. That's yes, because for the owner of the hotel to bring to be among those that brought the COVID-19 case in Rivers, it is an error and it's a blunder and it's unacceptable. It's unacceptable. It's not right. It's not right. So I personally will say that anyone that is still accusing Governor Wike for the step that he has taken is a devil. Is a devil. Because you can see the end product of the action that Governor Wike has taken. What if he didn't take this action? What would have happened? That means the cases would have been more than this. Yes, the cases would have been more than this. What I was to say? You can see that people are very wicked. People are more than wicked. Eh? How can you be opening your business center when there is an order that no one should open, or known to the people of the state that you have an hidden agenda? Viewers, I want us to see reason with the action Governor Wike has taken. You can see that he has not hurt anyone. He has not hurt even the owner of the hotel. Instead, it's the owner of the hotel that has offended the state, the government, and also the administration of Governor Wike. That River State is having a recorded case now is because of this because of this issue, because of this owner of the hotel. So what are we to say about this? Are we to support them again? Are we to support the owner of the hotel again? No, nobody will support him again because they have seen that he's at fault now. They want to take him to court. They want to take him to court because he took a step that is justified. Eh? Viewers, I don't know what else to say about this, but I believe that you have a contribution to make to this. Whatever it is, please don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.